Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.